Day 4 from Tory Lanez's felony assault trial. Here's a recap. All right, guys, I was inside of the Criminal Justice Center and Kelsey Harris took the stand again to finish her testimony. During her cross-examination after the break, the defense really got her to open up. We saw her not be so guarded and she really shared. And what they did that was so pivotal was they got her to finally talk about what happened in the car, who was arguing with who and what was the argument about. And this is what she said. She said the argument really was about Tory sleeping with Megan, that she was very upset about that and that her and Megan were doing the majority of the arguments. She was really letting Meg know that she was frustrated that Meg had done this to her previously with someone that she didn't want to share the name of the other gentleman, but that she was upset. When the ladies got out of the car the second time, they asked her, did they get into a physical altercation? She was very guarded in answering that question. But again, the defense did a very good job of making her feel comfortable enough to really say yay or nay. All she would say is that they bumped each other and that they had words. This is big because, again, they are trying to create the idea for the jury that maybe Tory didn't have a motivation to shoot Megan, that it could have been Kelsey. Again, she has said numerous times that she did not shoot Megan, but she's not said that Tory did. So now the big question mark is who shot Megan? His defense did exactly what they were supposed to do: create doubt. The prosecution also called 2 other witnesses to the stand. One of them was a detective who has been recently assigned to the case, and the defense ripped him to shreds. And another was a gunshot residue expert. She's a criminalist. She was the one that really explained to everybody how gunshot residue is transferred. She did say that the driver, Jaquan, did not have GSR on his hands. She did say that the 2 people who had GSR were Tory and Kelsey. The defense really tried to get her to say who had more. She wasn't able to answer that question, if Tory had more than Kelsey or Kelsey had more than Tory. She said she had to go look at her notes. And I think, again, this was helpful for the defense because she didn't have a definitive answer as to who had more gunshot residue and how they got it on their hands. It looks like there might be a few more days of trial, so we will be back here tomorrow giving you all the juicy details on the People versus Daystar Peterson. For HipHollywood.com, I'm Jasmine Simpkins.